If you've got a Hino 268 that the door says it is closed when it's open or open when it's closed, or stays in one position all the time no matter what you do, then you want to go ahead and replace the switch, and that is the part right there. Looks like this, and then it has a flange, a little nut, or a bolt right there, and that is the part for it, if you can see right there. This one is missing. Now, important thing with this is that this is the positive, it's just one line, and it grounds right here, so if there's any rust in there at all, you want to go ahead and clean that off. It fits right up in there, slides right in, and then you push it up in through that way. And then line the hole up. This is a 10 millimeter, so if you can find your socket, go ahead and put that in. This will wiggle a little bit if it's not seated completely right, so you want to hold it with one hand while you work it down with the other, and it doesn't wiggle unless it actually is popped out, so it should seat perfectly fine. There we have it, easy enough. Here are the part numbers again, and you just need a 10 millimeter, and then you can swap it out. Thanks for watching.